KashKick notifications can stop appearing when app permissions, device settings, or account notification preferences are not configured correctly. By the end, you'll know how to check KashKick notification settings, fix missing alerts, and make sure important account updates are not blocked. The first place to check is your phone's notification settings. If notifications are disabled at the device level, KashKick cannot send alerts even if the app settings are correct. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select KashKick, and check the Notifications section. Make sure notifications are allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, choose Notifications, find KashKick, and turn on Allow Notifications if it is disabled. The next step is checking the KashKick app itself. Open the app and look for any account or notification preferences available inside the settings menu. If notification options are enabled but alerts still do not appear, check whether your phone is blocking background activity. Battery saving modes and app restrictions can sometimes prevent apps from running normally. On Android devices, review battery optimization settings for KashKick and allow the app to operate without unnecessary restrictions. On iPhone, check focus mode settings. Focus mode can silence notifications from apps even when notifications are turned on. You should also update the KashKick app if you are using an older version. App updates can include fixes for notification problems and compatibility issues. If notifications worked before but suddenly stopped, restart your phone and reopen KashKick. This can refresh app connections and restore normal behavior. Another step is checking your internet connection. Notification delivery depends on the app being able to communicate with its servers. If you still do not receive alerts after checking all settings, contact KashKick support. Include your device type, app version, and a description of the notification problem. A detailed support message helps identify whether the issue is related to your device, app settings, or account. The main fixes are simple. Enable KashKick notifications on your phone, check the app settings, remove battery or focus mode restrictions, and update the app when needed. Open your phone settings now and confirm KashKick has permission to send notifications before testing the app again. Subscribe for more KashKick troubleshooting guides, and like the video if it helped you fix your notification issue.